Okay, where are we at Luke's Toy Shop, Vegas?
You have not traveled in time to SEMA 2025.
We don't care about it. Let's see your tools. That looks like a dangerous utensil.
This is a cutoff tool.
And then we got Junior back in there. What's your name?
Hey! What are you doing?
I told him, Fred, they did not time travel
That
to SEMA
is-
2025.
That is Fred. Toe fungi. Fred.
My
What do you got?
shoes and my...
This looks like safety crap that I would
Yeah,
never
this
keep
is
on
safe-
anything.
this is safety.
That would have been filling off a
What are you
long
doing?
time ago.
Oh, can we cut a big hole in my Jeep hood with this?
Yeah, we can.
Is that a...
It's a cutoff tool. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Just,
metal.
literally just got it. Still got all the stuff on it.
I can't see it.
Forget what I had.
What
Oh
do you-
yeah, I remember which I had it.
What is it?
Hold on, hold on.
Right now, we'll go
You
cut a
have to do
hole in
like you gotta do like that, and then you turn it forward. I think.
What kind of cutoff is
Oh,
that? I don't see it. Where's the
push the
wheel?
button.
Is there a wheel on that? I
Yeah,
don't see a wheel.
no, it's just not all.
Oh, it's not all there.
It's brand
And then-
spanking new.
And then you got this box over here, you said, Fred. It resembles a grinder of some type.
That's a grinder.
It looks like a grinder.
Push this. forward.
And it looks like this is the perfect stand right here.
I know it's right. But it needs to be taller than this, so I'd have to figure out how to.
You put a piece of wood on top of that and we'll mount it right on it.
You see, I was fucking with it.
It's already got a plate on
Is
it.
this the one?
That can go up higher.
So I was cutting on that one over there. So I figured I could lift it up and re-weld it.
But at best if this does not rotate as you're using it. Now, still,
Yes.
that is a very bad
Yes, it
grinding
is.
wheel there. I don't think that's going to cut much.
You don't think so?
No, that's.
It's
It looks like it's like plastic. Pretty sure that's not going to cut.
Luke,
you're supposed to extend this.
take your grinder, set up a bench, a table on your freaking press, and then when you use it,
Well, the thing is, I would like to set it outside because I'd like to grind on shit, not in the garage and throw like trash everywhere.
Like on a
You know what I'm
bike?
saying?
Like an
It's
FXR?
literally-
outside tool, you have to be able to roll it in and out, right?
Alright, we got real work to do right here. You guys over there playing.
You know what I mean?
Okay, now Luke's got a new tool we're going to test.
And I was gonna have different heads for the
I
different.
got something.
It's a 3M gasket scraper from,
I got something.
who's this from, Uza or somebody?
That's a 3M product, but it's,
From who?
It's one of the Subaru.
Superturd. Okay, it's from
allows you
Subaru.
to clean their heads off with that.
Subaru genuine head gasket removing tool made by 3M. Right there. So you got do you have the special driver that goes in your drill motor to make this work?
Yeah, I bought them right behind you. Okay, there it is. With that off, we can put the grinder on it. This is a cutoff though. So you cut it right now, Fred.
We better hurry up, we got some daylight out front. You know what the problem with this camera is now?
What?
Somebody left a tripod at home. That's mine.
Well, yeah, mine actually worked.
I lost a
It's
screw.
not broken. It's not. We didn't have to.
EOS.
You didn't have to put a.
That looks like that goes on the end of this. This doesn't fit.
Are you serious, Fred? You want to run there and drill a hole in it? We can right now.
Got a nut. I know what the bolt's for. This might wobble a little bit.
Molten material.
See, Luke? This wobbles.
That's got a bit of a wobble to it.
It's plastic against steel. It doesn't like each other. You probably have to force it in there. All right.
It's a 3M product, so it should take a 3M product.
I don't know. What do you got over here? Ooh,
Cutoff wheels.
They're all the same.
this is
Oh,
a
they're all
diamond.
different. They're all different.
Well, not the same, but the diameter.
This is a
Sorry.
diamond wheel. This is like a 3.
Multi-material. This is metal, stainless.
How about
Metal and stainless. Who's this guy say?
that's diamond, so it's more like for rock and junk.
Gotcha.
Diamond does not like steel because it just wads. It's like cutting aluminum with a regular gun. It just wads up on there.
Really?
Yeah.
So that's probably the one.
It has to be a cutting tooth diamond, not a grinding diamond, to not load up. Like your workbench, padded.
got a little stop on it right there.
Safety stop? Found a wrench. Is the battery charged?
We got batteries.
You have batteries. He's got batteries. Lots of batteries. Thinking it's a dog that wants in here. Ooh, they closed the door. No, they closed the door again. They don't want in. They want. Oh, they got the correct direction that time.
Backwards thread.
They got the correct direction that time. The little mutts are out here. Look at that little mutt. The three-way tug of war over there with the rings. All right, how's it going over here?
All right.
This is boring video. How come there's no light on?
You don't have to post this
There you go.
stuff.
I post everything.
Yes, you do.
I edit everything. I just plug in, it goes in the computer and it just goes up to the uploads.
All right.
If you didn't want to see it, don't watch it. Be feely comments if you're not happy. Okay, that looks like it might work now. How come it's turning the wrong direction?
That's the way it turns.
Turns against you? How many RPM is that?
Turn either way.
Now it's going the other way.
Always go backwards.
Oh, look at that. It's multiple directions. Okay, what do you want this hole, Fred?
You wanna cut a hole in the hood of my Jeep? Just
Yeah.
to see what it does?
You want to tape off? Let's tape off so we cut this off.
Oh, they're trying to get high-end
Come on,
stuff.
Fred, we want to make it look like.
Okay, we're gonna be back. We're gonna go look at Fred's Jeep.